the Super Duper feature update. Up, Super Admin. I'm so pumped about this. White labeling is out. This is both for partners and for end users. You can turn the entire Super app into your own brand, both with the actual Chrome extension and the backend app, plus even add icons and more.
What's up, Super Squad? Super Dave here yet again for the very first time to walk you through a new feature that we built called white labeling. It's a premium feature, so it's available for our pro tiers and for our partners. What it really lets you do is make Super even more your own. You can provide your own colors and your own icons. And so I want to walk you through how to set one of those themes up. You're going to find this setting over here under account settings called white labeling. Let's create a theme. We're going to base this off a Dropbox. You'll see there's a couple sections, and really in each side, you'll see app and extension. Anything app related is going to be related to app.super.io. The extension is going to be all the extension settings. So let's build our Dropbox theme, make it a little bit lighter blue for the sidebar. I'm going to want a darker sidebar text to contrast with that. For the primary, this is really all your actions and your buttons. I'm going to make this, let's make it just more of a blue, and the primary text being white. That'll give us a good contrast. Secondary, these are little boxes that kind of pop up that we use a much lighter color, so I'm going to do something similar here. I'm going to copy our primary color. Let's go here, make this real light, something like that. Make it a little bluer. And then for graphics, this is going to be your icons, your graphics, little progress wheels, things like that. Make it the same color as a primary. Dark text, something that's going to really pop on black, so I'm going to make it a little bit darker from a primary. And then the hyperlink is just a hyperlink color, and we're going to use the same one. I mean, our primary color here. So this is the button, copy from app. If you click this, it'll get you started on the extension side. Just bring those colors down, match them up as they kind of work. Icons, icon outline. The icon outline is a little different here, and what that does is gives you a little bit of an outline in the icon. If you have a really dark icon, you want it to pop against a darker background, you can give it a slightly different color here. I'm gonna make it just a little bit lighter. Just something to give contrast, kind of draw attention to that icon. And then let's upload some logos. So for sidebar logo, this can be PNG, SVG, your standard web formats. That's going to be this little logo up here. I'm going to pick this one here. And it shows you good contrast. That looks good. Dark logo, you're not going to see a lot in the app. It's just something you should definitely support. You want to have in there just in case you start using it more often. Okay, down the extension theme, the extension logo. This is both the tab, this little tab down here, and the bar. So the extension bar up here. If it's a PNG or a JPG, it just cannot be. It can't be an SVG. SVG will not. Google won't render that up there. So let's pick our logo. We have a PNG here, and it's a little dark. So let's go back here to our colors. I don't know if I want primary. I don't want that to be blue. I may want this to be a little bit lighter anyway. So let's come over here. I'm going to change this to. My primary colors over here to white and black or the blue and the black on that blue. That looks much better here. The banner logo, this is on the extensions. It's that top logo. I'll put this up here for Dropbox. Okay, cool. So let's name it real quick. Dropbox demo. We're ready to save, but you can click this preview first. It gives you an example what your colors are going to look like. That's what the icons are going to look like. That's what the extension is going to look like. It's not real interactive. It just gives you kind of an idea of what you're going to see. All right, so happy with that. We'll click save. We now have a saved theme. It's not currently active yet, so we still have the super branding everywhere. So I'm gonna click set active. So what this is gonna do, tell me that all users on our team are gonna get access to this, and we'll click OK. And then ta-da, we now have our Dropbox theme. So one more setting to go over here for partners, and this is if you want to set this, your white label theme is not gonna be the default for everyone. You can click right here, make sure this is selected. By default, it's not. You select this and click save, and then that'll become the default theme for all of your managed teams as well. So instead of them having a super theme as a base, they're gonna have your theme as a base. If they happen to be a pro user though, they will be able to kind of set up their own white labeling theme for their own team. But by default, instead of having the super, it's gonna be your theme. That's it, that's our first version of white labeling. We look forward to your feedback and making additional improvements on it, but hopefully you guys are excited about it as we are. All right, see you guys. Stay super.
The Super Duper feature update.